Hello everybody, welcome back to Colorado channel. This is Tina, nice to see you again. Okay, so now I'm in the workshop of the daily printing workshop. So normally in the daily working, what kind of the problem you're facing too? So today let's check it out. And once you have any problem during printing, how to resolve it, we will figure it out. Okay, so according to different requests from customers, and then once you load up this sock, you need to be sure the alignment will be properly adjusted on the socks to be sure the final designs will be printed at the proper position. So that is what we are doing now. Okay, with this different style of the blank socks, we can see that once it's loaded up to the roller, it's standing out, right? This heel part is standing up, but this one actually is not suitable for the printed socks. After printing this design at this part, which is the deep side of the standing up point, it will be leave it. It will leave it with the blank color. Then it will impact the whole designs. So make sure that your volume of this heel part will be a little bit less and ensure it will be flat. And if you are using this kind of the opening of this sock, so for this part, you also need to be sure that much more volumes needs to be paid more attention and made it to be knitted at the beginning of this toe part to be strongly grab this roller instead of just like this. So this one needs to be pay more attention once you knit for this kind of opening socks. Okay, now you are seeing that another kind of the blank socks and with already the heel and toe part knitted already. But you can see actually here the toe part is too less. Actually the height is not good enough. So here its blank color will be there, that it will impact the production image printing. So you have to be sure that this toe part needs to be a little bit knitting much higher with the height there instead of here. That needs to be paid more attention if you wanted to print on this kind of sock. Okay, all in all, you have seen that how the daily workshop is running, right? And different requests from customer. We need to get the different types of the blank socks. And during printing, we have different printing solutions. And also sometimes based on different types of the blank socks, some unworkable blank socks needs to be a little bit adjusted. So this kind of adjustment needs to be communicated in advance with customer to avoid any problems coming out later during production. So any idea from your side, any opinions and any thoughts about the printing socks, you can consult us. We are here always. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.